Hello everyone. Today, I will present to you my natural transition crepe honeywork. Number 7:1 hair structure on the ground. I will apply natural transitive sparkles with crepe technique. Here, all the hair. Same way. I used the same packaging technique. As you can see, I separated in one piece, neither too thick nor too thin, and in one piece again. Neither very thick nor very thin. I bought one piece, and I pancaked it. Under the name of not slipping pancakes. Comb after making pancakes. To the lowest point where the pancakes are. I grabbed it with pliers, and with special one plate. I'm starting to pack the opener with foil. I penetrate the hair in the best way. On the other side of the hair, and spread to the front in the best way, with upright brush strokes and horizontal brush strokes. I applied the opener to the hair, 30-gram opener as well as opener mixture, and 2:1 ratio as 60-degree oxygen. I apply it to the hair after applying the mixture. I separate the hair as you can see. Neither too thick nor too thin. After that, I take one piece again here. I work in blocks. I apply one natural crepe to the bottom of the hair. So I apply the crepe in the best way and I pencil. After clawing, folding the foil, I place a plate under it. This plate is clearer. Allows me to feed the opener. And with the plate, nice one work by applying. I penetrate the lightener into the hair in the best way. As I said again, upright and horizontal. With brush strokes, I applied the opener to the hair and packaged it. After packing all the hair in the same way, I waited for it to open. After it was opened, I washed the hair and applied polish. Sanoi 2 is polish. Den volume. Created natural transitive sparkles between them. If you want one such work, natural transition. If you want sparkles, in the description part of my video, by reaching me from my social media addresses and coming to my hall, you can get service. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I will be with you with new videos. Hope to see you. Take good care of yourself.